So today we are going to make a hummingbird bookmark, and this is the bookmark. We've got lots of new bookmarks available on the website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll put a link below. And this one is just over 12 centimeters, and it's a 3D design, so it's the same both sides, nice and strong and fantastic detail as well. I've got some Cabochon settings, 12mm. These are silver plated. These are some glass flower Cabochons, and these are actually clear glass with a photo image underneath that's glued on. I've got some beads. I'm not quite sure what beads I'm going to be using, but I've just got some different ones here. I've got some 8mm jump rings. I also have some 5mm, but I'm not sure if I'll be using those. These are head pins. I have a video telling you all about head pins and eye pins, how you make them, so I'll link that video above for you. Some tools. Now I've got some chain nose pliers, and these are a universal plier. Use them for opening and closing jump rings, shaping wire and holding small items. And the tapered nose helps to get into awkward places and is ideal for using with crimps and crimp beads. Next we have round nose pliers, and these are a tool for making loops in wire, and you can also create your own eye pins. I'll just show you. This is an eye pin. So you would use these if you just had a piece of wire for making loops, which I will show you later on. You can also use these for wire wrapping. And then I've just got a pair of flat nose pliers, and these I'm going to use to help open and close the jump rings, but they're great for holding flatter and larger surfaces and for bending. And we also need some cutters for cutting wire. Right, so I'm going to take the eye pin. I'm going to try and straighten it out a bit more. It really won't notice. And with this loop here, it's great because I can actually add things to the bottom of it. Otherwise, if you didn't want to add anything to the bottom, you would simply, if I put this bead on, you would just use the head pin. And again, if you do have a large hole bead, you can put a spacer there, a flat spacer like a daisy spacer, to stop the bead falling through, but these are fine. I'm going to take our Cabochons. So 12mm will fit a 12mm setting. These dry really quickly. There's that one. There's that one. Put the lid on. Pop that one in. That one. If you just leave it for a couple of seconds, it makes it a little bit tackier. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. So that's going to go on drying. Now I'm going to attach some beads. I think I'll put one of these because what I aim to do is to put one of these on the bottom and it will rub. That's that one. Seeing what would work and what wouldn't. Yeah, I think I will do that. So we're now going to make a loop on the end. If you've watched the dragon bookmark tutorial, you'll already know this, but for those that are maybe just wanting to make the hummingbird one, we measure 1 centimetre with our ruler, and then you can mark it, but I've been doing it for so long now, I know where to cut. We take our cutters, and then we are going to make sure you hold the end, because it can fly off. And also watch your eyes as well. So we take our chain nose pliers, and we want to make the bend the same as this one. So we are going to bend 90 degrees. And then we are now going to bend back. There's our loop. Now you can see it's not quite the same as that one, so I'm just going to twist that way and then go back in. To get the loop. There we go. So that's that one, and on the bottom of here I'm going to take an 8mm jump ring in between our pliers. You always open this way. We're going to take this one, put it on the bottom, touch this one, then close. So we've got this. Now these will make fantastic presents for Christmas and birthdays. I love reading books, so it will be a fabulous gift for a book lover. So again, take the eye pin, just straighten this up, and I'm going to do the same again. Put this bead on, and then I'll use a green one. So again, we measure 1 centimetre, then we are going to snip. It's good if you've got magnetic pliers, they'll catch them. Okay, so we're now going to bend 90 degrees. It's looking like this. Then we take our round nose pliers, pop it in, make sure you can't feel anything, and then twist back on ourselves. Go back in, twist, see at the moment it looks like that. We want these to be the same, so it needs to go over this way more. So we turn that way. Then we need to go back in with these to close up the loop. And there's that dangle. So we're now going to attach this cabochon and cabochon setting, and I think what I'll do, similar to the dragon one I've just made, is I'll just have the one on this side. So first of all, we're just going to open, ring. I'm going to attach this so it will show this way. Then we are going to put it through this one, and then close. So that's our there, that's our dangle. And then we'll attach the dangle to this one. I'll just remove these beads. So we take an 8mm. Now, if you want to have more of a, let's just say we've got someone's reading a really thick book, what we can do is open up a jump ring, add another one. Now thread that on there and close. Then take the very top one that we've just put on and open that one. Attach this one and then close. There we are. So that is that one done. You can see what I mean with the extra. I mean, you could even add another couple of jump rings or some thick chain. So I do hope you liked the video. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Again, all the supplies can be found on the website, which I'll link below. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.